Do you know AI cars are becoming the city's silent guardians during emergencies, coordinating in real time to prevent chaos? Imagine a city alive with neon, rain-slick streets and holographic alerts flashing above every corner. In these urban landscapes, the next generation of AI cars isn't just about speed or style, they are becoming integrated into the city's emergency response systems. From high above, drones scan the streets, transmitting real-time hazard information to vehicles below. Every vehicle, every sensor, every node communicates instantly to anticipate dangers and protect citizens before disaster strikes. Inside the cockpit, the driver sees more than the road. They see a live map of the city's risks. Evacuation paths are highlighted, collapsed infrastructure is marked, and predictive alerts flash when hazards are detected. AI doesn't just respond, it predicts. By analyzing building stability, pedestrian density, and nearby vehicles, the system calculates the safest possible route in seconds. Your car becomes your eyes, your guide, your silent guardian through the chaos. Across the city streets, AI vehicles form dynamic convoys, orchestrating a symphony of movement. Lane by lane, they clear paths for ambulances, fire trucks, and emergency vehicles. Vehicles communicate to maintain optimal spacing, speed, and alignment, creating a seamless corridor that humans alone could never organize in moments of crisis. It's precision, coordination, and intelligence all happening in real time. From above, it looks like a choreographed dance. Every car adapts instantly to blocked roads, fallen debris, or sudden hazards. Traffic patterns evolve dynamically, rerouting civilians safely away from danger zones. AI cars are constantly calculating, choosing paths that minimize risk, maximize efficiency, and ensure that emergency responders reach their destinations without delay. Drones hover silently above, capturing high-definition imagery of every street, alleyway, and structure. Their feeds feed directly into AI networks, allowing vehicles to make split-second decisions. This is a city where information flows faster than any human could process. Every update, an approaching fire, a weakened building, an unexpected crowd, is instantly communicated across the network, creating a living map of the city's safety in motion. In slow motion, the orchestration becomes clear. Vehicles brake just enough to maintain perfect spacing, accelerate precisely to keep corridors open, and adjust direction to avoid hazards. Each maneuver is calculated not by intuition, but by advanced algorithms learning continuously from every scenario. This is urban mobility reimagined, where chaos is met with intelligence and lives.